Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garnier Vitamin C Serum Cream. First, ensure your face and neck are clean and dry. Take a small, pea-sized amount of the serum cream, about 3 to 4 drops, and apply it evenly. Gently massage the cream into your skin using upward motions, making sure to avoid the sensitive skin around your eyes. Allow it to fully absorb before moving to the next step in your routine. For optimal results, incorporate this serum cream into your routine twice a day, both morning and night. In the morning, it helps protect your skin from environmental stressors. At night, it supports skin repair. Use about a full dropper or pump for your entire face and neck. Remember, consistent daily application is crucial to see the brightening and spot-reducing benefits over time. This powerful serum cream offers multiple benefits for your skin. It works to visibly brighten your complexion and significantly reduce the appearance of various dark spots, including pimple marks and sunspots. Enriched with vitamin C, Japanese yuzu lemon extracts, and niacinamide, it helps to even out your skin tone. Plus, it provides essential protection from the sun's harmful rays, reversing signs of sun damage. To maximize the benefits, always apply the serum cream to clean, dry skin. After it has fully absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. During the day, it is absolutely essential to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin. Store your serum cream in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.